Hey everyone, welcome back to the land of incomplete projects. Today we're throwing together a dustpan that I saw on the Den of Tools. I'll link to the Den of Tools. Have you heard of the Den of Tools? It's pretty cool. Bending down sucks. Well, bending down sucks regardless. I got this dustpan. And look at all these parts. It come with a broom that it might be okay. But we take it out of the box. We got a bunch of these. We're going to screw two onto the we're going to find the handle. You got a plastic thread on the bottom. You take that, thread that into the dustpan. There we go. Then we find one of them that's doesn't have the plastic. It just looks kind of threaded. Throw that on there. Then you grab, this is a holder here that your broom will hold onto. Screw that together. And we get a dustpan. Then you take your broom that come with. Is it any good? Maybe. Find our tubey with the plastic. We'll throw that on there. What we have left is three. Two. Get one with a plastic endy like that. Get this guy lined up. Boom. Demo, but tilts up like that, down like that. Check it out, sweep, sweep. Not bending down. Nice fingers here. And if you got pets or anything, you know the broom always gets full of whatever. Those for cleaning that stuff out. This is a Libman broom. This is the one that I really like in the workshop here. See if the fingers work on that. Post a link for this guy. Ooh, look at that. Huh? Yeah. I'll post some links. I get a little cut if you buy.
Like and follow so you don't miss any amazing videos like this on the dustpan. I know you were just glued to your seats. Bye-bye.